Joining us now, Guggenheim Securities analyst Michael Morris. It's good to see you this morning. Welcome.
Morning.
What's at stake here?
Well, I don't know if I'd call it at stake, but there's a lot of opportunity here for both Netflix and the league. In the case of Netflix, this is obviously another very significant foray into live programming. NFL content is the most popular content in the United States, which means there should be a lot of demand and a lot of opportunity for the company to expand what they deliver to the consumer. And for the league, it's an opportunity to expand their partnership further into the streaming realm with the industry leader in Netflix, but also the chance to expand globally in a much more significant way, as Netflix is not only the domestic leader, but really the global leader in streaming.
I mean, this is a flex of sorts for Netflix, isn't it? I mean, you look at the stock chart that we have on the screen, above $900. It's been an incredible rocket ship this year. And this is about showing the muscle of what this company has now become, not only on Christmas Day with the games, but the next morning with Squid Game as well, which is going to be a phenomenon in its own right.
That's right. I mean, it's been a tremendous story. We've been very bullish on Netflix for a long time. To take a rewind, Netflix has been the disruptor in this industry, right? And it's very simple. They gave consumers more of what they wanted at a lower cost. It created this virtuous cycle for the company that continues to be very much alive right now. And you're seeing it on a global basis. You're seeing it on a live sports basis. And in this particular case, it's the single largest partnership that a media company can have in the U.S. And that's the next step for them.
I feel like neither of you have mentioned the biggest part of it, which is that Beyonce is going to be performing at the Christmas halftime show game.
I should have led with that.
I mean, come on. There'll be a lot. Look, my question is, like, if they can get it right, because they've had a lot of technical glitches and issues when it comes to live programming, thinking about the big Tyson-Paul fight, the finale of Love is Blind, which was supposed to be live. I think that one got messed up. The F1 golf tournament that they did a while back. Just getting that amount of people to stream in live, that's not their bread and butter.
Well, I think it is their bread and butter. I mean, I'd say a couple of things. First of all, I agree with you. Bringing Beyonce into the game is just another example of them going very big across their entire, member base, really wanting to delight everybody, as the company says. And with respect to the challenge of streaming, I do agree. This is uncharted territory when we're talking about the size of the audience that the company is delivering at a single moment in time. I think there have been glitches, not just for Netflix, but for a number of streaming providers as they try to scale the service. Netflix had a great opportunity in November to deliver the Tyson-Paul fight. And while there was focus on some of the glitches, and certainly it was not a perfectly seamless experience, it was a chance for them to test and really try to find out where the kinks are for these largest things. And while the Tyson-Paul fight was important to them, it had a large audience, and I think they will probably try to do things like that again. There really is nothing bigger than the NFL. It's just the most demanded content consistently in the country. I think it's important to them to show the NFL and other leagues that they can get it right. And so it will be a focus, and I am confident that they're going to be able to deliver it.